We've all heard whispers about the incredible edible egg. Packed with protein and nutrients, eggs have long been a breakfast staple. But what if we told you that 2 boiled eggs a day could be your ticket to improved health? Before you scramble to the store, let's separate fact from fiction and explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of making this protein powerhouse a daily habit. From building stronger muscles to boosting brain function, eggs offer a range of potential health perks. But with conflicting information about cholesterol swirling around, it's important to understand the full picture before you start double-fisting eggs every morning. This isn't about promoting a restrictive diet or labeling eggs as a miracle cure-all. It's about arming you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your diet. So, grab a seat, maybe a snack, 2 boiled eggs perhaps, and let's dive into the fascinating world of eggs and discover if incorporating 2 a day into your diet is right for you. Before we crack the surface of the 2 eggs a day debate, let's break down the nutritional content of these incredible edibles. 1 large boiled egg boasts about 78 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. But don't let the fat content scare you. Eggs are rich in unsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that supports heart health. These nutritional powerhouses are also brimming with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, choline, selenium, and riboflavin. Vitamin B12 is crucial for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve cells. Choline supports brain function and memory. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Riboflavin plays a vital role in converting food into energy. In a nutshell, eggs offer a comprehensive package of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. Understanding their nutritional value is key to understanding the potential impact of incorporating 2 eggs daily into your diet. Eggs are champions when it comes to protein, an essential macronutrient that plays a fundamental role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Each egg packs a protein punch, making them an excellent choice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Why is protein so important? It provides the building blocks for your muscles, bones, skin, and hair. Adequate protein intake is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and boosting your energy levels throughout the day. Incorporating 2 eggs daily into your diet can help you meet your protein needs, especially if you lead an active lifestyle or are trying to build muscle mass. Pair them with a slice of whole wheat toast or a side of fruit for a well-rounded meal that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whether you're a gym enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply looking to fuel your body with the best, eggs offer a convenient and delicious way to power up your day. For years, eggs have been unfairly demonized due to their cholesterol content. However, recent studies have debunked the myth that dietary cholesterol directly translates to high blood cholesterol. It's time to set the record straight and give eggs the credit they deserve. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, it's important to understand that our bodies produce cholesterol naturally. Dietary cholesterol, like that found in eggs, has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, research has shown that moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. Instead, the nutrients found in eggs, such as choline and omega-3 fatty acids, may actually support heart health. So if you've been avoiding eggs because of cholesterol concerns, you can crack open those shells and enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Focus on consuming healthy fats, limiting processed foods, and incorporating regular exercise for optimal heart health. Beyond their impressive nutritional profile, eggs offer a range of potential health benefits. Let's explore some of the ways that incorporating 2 eggs daily into your diet could contribute to a healthier you. Firstly, eggs are rich in choline, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in brain function, memory, and early brain development. Choline is particularly important during pregnancy for fetal brain growth. Secondly, eggs are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Thirdly, the high-quality protein in eggs can contribute to feelings of fullness and satisfaction, making them a valuable tool for weight management. From supporting cognitive function to protecting your peepers, eggs are true nutritional superstars. While incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet can offer a range of health benefits, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks and listen to your body's cues. As with any dietary change, moderation is key. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, after consuming eggs. This is often due to the protein content and can vary from person to person. If you notice any digestive issues, try reducing your intake or spreading your egg consumption throughout the day. Additionally, while moderate egg consumption is generally considered safe, excessive intake could contribute to an increased risk of certain health conditions, particularly for individuals with pre-existing conditions such as diabetes or heart disease. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate egg intake for your individual needs and health status. They can provide personalized guidance based on your medical history and dietary requirements. Now that you're armed with the knowledge about the potential benefits and drawbacks of incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily routine, let's explore some creative and convenient ways to enjoy this versatile food. For a protein-packed breakfast, try pairing 2 boiled eggs with a slice of whole wheat toast and a side of avocado or fruit. You can also add chopped boiled eggs to your salads, soups, or sandwiches for a boost of protein and flavor. Deviled eggs make a delicious and satisfying snack or appetizer. Get creative with your fillings by adding herbs, spices, or vegetables. For a quick and easy lunch or dinner, try an omelet or frittata. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations and cooking methods to find what you enjoy most. The key is to incorporate eggs into your diet in a way that is sustainable and enjoyable for you. Let's face it, boiling eggs every single day can get a little, well, boring. But don't despair. There's a whole world of egg-citing recipes out there that go beyond the basic boiled egg. Here are a few ideas to inspire your culinary adventures. 1. Avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg. Toast a slice of whole wheat bread, spread with mashed avocado, and top with a poached egg for a creamy, dreamy breakfast or brunch. Sprinkle with red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. 2. Veggie-packed frittata. Whisk together eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Sauté your favorite vegetables, such as spinach, mushrooms, and onions. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables and cook until set. Slice and enjoy. 3. Easy shakshuka. Sauté onions and bell peppers in a skillet. Make indentations in the mixture and crack eggs directly into them. Season with cumin, paprika, and salt. Cover and cook until the egg whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Garnish with fresh herbs and a dollop of yogurt. These recipes are just the tip of the iceberg. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and ingredients to find your new favorite egg dish. While the concept of incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet may seem appealing, it's crucial to remember that nutrition is not one size fits all. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body's cues and pay attention to how you feel after eating eggs. If you experience any digestive discomfort, allergies, or other adverse reactions, adjust your intake accordingly. Factors such as your age, activity level, health status, and dietary preferences can all influence the optimal number of eggs you should consume. Consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance based on your unique needs. Remember, food should nourish your body and bring you joy. Don't be afraid to experiment, listen to your body, and find what works best for you. So, is incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet the key to unlocking optimal health? The answer, as with most things in nutrition, is nuanced. Eggs offer a plethora of health benefits, from their high protein content to their rich vitamin and mineral profile. However, it's crucial to consume them in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Listen to your body's cues and adjust your intake based on your individual needs and preferences. Embrace the versatility of eggs and experiment with different cooking methods and recipes to keep things interesting. Ultimately, the key to a healthy and sustainable diet lies in consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods and making informed choices that align with your individual health goals. So go ahead and enjoy those eggs, but remember, balance is key.